A miracle herb. This woman was 72 kilograms on Thursday, and went down to 67 kilograms by Saturday. You might not even be aware of the amazing benefits of parsley. It is a herb that we mostly use as a spice, but the amount we add in our meals is so small, so it's not enough for us to extract the extra liquids from the body. Usage. Parsley is a great ally in treating urinary tract infections and diseases, kidney diseases, and it is also a strong diuretic. Both leaves and root from this herb are used in the medicine. Here's a recipe for preparing parsley tea that an old Bosnian woman shared with us. Parsley is a miracle. On Thursday I weighed 72 kilograms, and 2 days later I weighed 5 kilograms less. It's about the excess water that was excreted from my body, not the fat. Now I feel great, shared the woman. Recipe. This recipe is very simple, because all you need to do is to add 5 tablespoons of chopped parsley into 1 liter of boiling water. Then let it stand for the next 20 minutes, strain it to remove the parsley, and your tea is ready for drinking. Water disposal from the body is one of the most important functions. Together with the water, you also dispose a lot of toxins, bacteria, and many other harmful things. As we already mentioned, parsley is scientifically proven as an excellent diuretic and a strong antioxidant too. Tip: the consumption of parsley tea is highly recommended and beneficial, but in certain amounts. Be careful not to overdrink it, because it's not recommended for anyone to drink more than a liter of this tea daily. Lose 7 kilograms in 14 days with this cucumber diet, cucumber shake and cucumber salad. Recipes. This diet is the best choice for people who don't want to pay too much attention on what they eat. To get the maximum results from this cucumber diet, you need to be on it for 10 days, and there are only specific products you need to eat during that period. If you want to lose 7 kilograms, you need to be on this diet for 14 days, and you should be physically active as well. The main ingredient in this natural diet is cucumber. You can consume cucumber in unlimited amounts and all the time, during this diet, especially when you feel really hungry. List of products you can consume during this diet: 300 grams of fresh fruits, 3 pieces of whole wheat bread, or 2 boiled potatoes. 2 boiled potatoes. The potatoes can be boiled and baked, but not fried. Or 3 pieces of whole wheat bread. 150 grams of tuna without the oil, 2 boiled eggs, or 15 grams grilled white meat. Liquids: tea, coffee without sugar, no soda drinks or alcohol allowed. You can eat fresh cucumber salad or drink a cucumber shake anytime between or with your meals. Anytime you feel hungry, you can consume both of them. The amount is unlimited. Cucumber diet menu for 1 day: breakfast cucumber salad and 2 hard-boiled eggs. Between meals: 1 big apple, 1 peach lower than 200 grams or 5 plums. Lunch: whole wheat bread toasted and cucumber salad. Between meals: cucumber shake. Dinner: fruit salad 300 grams. Cucumber salad. Recipe. Ingredients: 400 grams of cucumber, 200 milliliters of sour milk or yogurt, salt, fresh, young onion. Directions: first of all, you should peel the cucumber and chop it into small pieces. Then add some salt and mix well. After that, add the yogurt or the milk and mix well. In the end, add the fresh onion and your cucumber diet salad is ready to eat. Cucumber shake. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 apple, a handful of spinach, 1 cucumber, ginger, 20 grams of almonds and walnuts. Directions: first, you need to add the apple, the spinach and the cucumber not peeled in a blender and blend well. Then, you should add some fresh ginger and blend it again. Put the shake in a big glass and decorate it on top with some crushed almonds and walnuts. It's very important for you to drink it immediately, in order not to lose its healing properties. This delicious national cucumber shake is high in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, vitamin B, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, iron, magnesium, calcium, fiber, etc. Note, it's very important, and it will be good for you if you can exercise while you are on this diet. You can run, walk, ride a bike, exercise at your home, or you can hit the gym. It's all up to you. It will help you feel much better and you will lose weight much faster.